What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It is Saturday. That means it's the weekend. And as you guys know, on this channel, the weekend is where winners are made. The weekend is where empires are built. So today, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a warning and explain to you guys why you have to be careful what you do on your weekends, people you spend time with, and who exactly you're being influenced by. But before we get into that today, I do want to say a few quick things. As always, please give me a like, a thumbs up on this video. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Just drop it in the comment section below. We'll keep interacting, we'll keep talking, all the good stuff. Add to that, if you are new around here, please hit that red subscribe button below. We've been growing recently, it's been going well, so keep that going, keep it up, keep the love going. And also, please share these videos with your friends so we get them out to more people, help more people, also make more people aware of who they spend their time with, what they do with their time, who they hang around with, and who influences them. Now let me tell you a quick few things today. Firstly, I want to say, if you hang around with 5 millionaires, you are going to be the 6th millionaire. If you hang around with 5 idiots, you'll be the 6th idiot. If you hang around 5 sportive people, you'll be the 6th sportive person. If you hang around 5 intelligent people, you'll be the 6th intelligent person. If you hang around 5 confident people, you will be the 6th confident person. And if you hang around 5 aspiring, successful people, you'll be the 6th of those. So I can give you a billion different examples of those kind of things that I'm talking about today. But the main message here is who you're spending your time with. Be careful who you're spending your time with, because whether they're intelligent, whether they're smart, whether they're confident, whether they're successful, whether they're aspiring to be great, or they're completely the opposite, whoever you spend your time with, that group of people you're spending your time with, you will be the 6th person of that group. So the reason I'm saying that today is because it is the weekend. And as I've told you guys many times before, and I told you at the beginning of this video, the weekend is where winners are made. Now, the weekend is also where we spend a lot of time with our friends. You know, we socialize, we have fun, we hang out with people, and there's nothing wrong with that. But who are you hanging out with today? Are you hanging out with people who love to spend money that they don't have? People who buy things that they can't afford? Or are you hanging out with people who live below their means, who people want to make it in the long run, people who are trying to improve themselves, become better? And again, I'm saying that because you could be hanging around with 5 people who are potentially, going to become millionaires, but you could also be hanging out with 5 people who are complete idiots. And in this case, I can't tell you who you're hanging around with, but all I can tell you is to be careful. Because again, as always, we are influenced by the people we spend our time with. And as you guys know, I often like to talk about, developing skills and becoming better is by picking people to hang around with who are better than you. And you might think, oh no, I don't want to be inferior, I want to be the best in my group. Trust me, if you're the best in your group, there's a problem there. If you're the smartest, you're the most intelligent, you're in the wrong group. You want to be with like-minded people, but you want to be with people who push you to become better. You want to be with people who bring out the best in you, people who help you expand your knowledge, people who force you to become better. And there are many different ways of doing this. It could be people you grew up with, it could be people you met on the internet, it could be people you network with. But whoever it is, in all cases, you must be careful. Because I don't want you guys to be the people who are chasing goals, who want to be successful, who want to be great. And there are those people who are just not at your level, who are bringing you down. And I'm saying this because it's my experiences. Again, many videos I make on this channel are purely from my experiences. There are so many people who, you want to hang out with, but overall they're just bringing you down. They're not helping you become better. They're not helping you fulfill your potential. And in that case, you've got to let them off. You might be able to hang around with them once or twice every now and then, but you can't be hanging out with these people regularly. I'm telling you again from my experiences. I've made that mistake, so I'm telling you guys, don't make the same mistakes. I'm someone who's aspiring. I want to be great. I want to, succeed. I want to do many great things. And of course, I want to push people to become better. But that being said, while they're probably influencing you in the wrong way, you also are not able to influence them in the right way. So I'm telling you again, hang out with people who are intelligent, who have big dreams, big goals, who are aspiring, who believe in themselves, who have confidence, who are smart, who like to network, who like to make money, who like to succeed, who want to be successful. And think about this, there are many team sports out there. Think about chasing success as another team sport. It's nice to always think you can do it on your own and try and get it on your own. That's good. I've got that mentality as well. But there are other times that you could use other people's help. The stronger each link in the chain is, the stronger the chain is overall. So if you've got 3-4 people next to you who are pushing you to become better, you've got 3-4 people who are trying to push themselves to become better, you're in the right group of people. This weekend, be careful who you hang out with. Next weekend, be careful who you hang out with. Today, tomorrow, whenever. It doesn't have to just be the weekend. Be careful who you hang out with. These people are influencing you more than you probably know. And again, like I said, I've experienced it before. Being the person who wants to, do great things, who wants to be really successful, but also being with people who are not really bothered about how successful they become, not really bothered about, doing the right things so they can ensure, long-term they live the life of their dreams. And also, this goes for many different things. Same for your fitness goals. People who you hang out with, who you go to gym with. Are they people who are pushing themselves to the limit, trying to become stronger, trying to become fitter, lose more weight, gain more muscle, lose body fat? Because you hang out with them and you go to gym with them, trust me when I say you'll sweat more, you'll exercise more, you'll put in the work because they're putting in the work and they're influencing you. And trust me when I say the people who don't want to do anything, who want to sit around, laze around, who are not hungry for success, who are not chasing their goals, you'll be just like them when you hang out with them more. For any of you guys who have done sports growing up, you guys know that, when you play with people who are better than you, it forces you to raise your game. Even if you guys like playing video games, you play against people who are better than you, it forces you to raise your game. It forces you to become better. And that's the same thing for life. The people who live below their means, who are focused on businesses, growing, becoming great, have the right mindset, those are the people who are going to push you to do the same thing. And it's natural, it rubs off on you. And it's not because you're competing against them, but it's because they're influencing you. You want to be like them. You know them closely, you've spoken to them, you've got good contact with them, and you want to be like them. You see all the things that they're doing are possible, you straight away want to make that possible for yourself as well. And this is another reason why I tell you guys to go to networking events, go to different things, social events, because there are people here, when you go to these kind of events, even if you have to travel to a different city or whatever it may be, you go to these events, you meet all kinds of like-minded people. You meet people who are pushing for their goals, aspiring people, those who are influencing millions, but also those who want to eventually influence millions. These are the places where you can find these kind of people. And I can't help but tell you guys, I've been to these kind of events before, and it just completely changes your perspective on things. So if you've not been to any of those kind of events, maybe just one time try and go to a local event. Try and go to an event where you fly out of state, or whatever you may have to do. It might cost you a little bit, but the experience is invaluable. You'll meet like-minded people. You meet people who are, in your niche, who are in your industry, who are succeeding, who are doing great things, and they inspire you. I mean, those of you who probably say you don't have the money to do that. Many of you guys have gone to concerts, festivals, which cost about the same thing. Why not go to somewhere where you have all the best entrepreneurs, all the top entertainers of the world, the people who want to succeed, the people who make you want to succeed, who make you want to become better. That's exactly what, we're doing on YouTube, but on a smaller scale. Trying to influence other people to become better. Trying to help people become more intelligent, become smarter, push closer to their goals and dreams. Another great thing about hanging out with a group of people who are, pushing to become better is the fact that you'll become invigorated and inspired, with multiple new ideas. They just help you enhance your creativity. That's exactly, again, what I try to do, but I'm not with you guys day in, day out. So the people you are with day in, day out, hopefully they're doing the same thing. Inspiring you, pushing you, sharing different ideas, helping, other brilliant minds, helping you to connect and test out your own things, try out new things, encouraging you, stepping up your game. Once you surround yourself with winners, once you surround yourself with people who work hard, who learn a lot, who increase their potential to learn, who increase their potential to earn, who think a lot, who, understand the fundamentals of what it takes to be successful. Once you start hanging around with those kind of people, trust me, you're on the right path to succeeding. But once you hang around with people who are lazy, not really motivated, who don't really put in any effort, who have maybe a lot of talent, but don't really put in any hard work, I'm sorry to tell you, you're not really gonna go anywhere. So you wanna continue to do that, at least you know now that you're not gonna get anywhere. On the other hand, if you do wanna be successful, you do wanna succeed, you do wanna fulfill your potential, now you know exactly what you need to do. We've all heard the saying, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. That is so true. The leaders of the world don't hang out with, the followers, the sheep of the world. The most successful people in the world don't hang around with people who fail and give up. That's just not how it goes. There's a reason that wealthy people hang around with wealthy people, like-minded people. There's a reason that poor people hang around together and hate on the wealthy people. There's a reason that the 1% are the 1%. And if you want to be that 1%, start doing what the 1% does. Start being like the 1%. Start increasing your knowledge. Start helping yourself become better. Start pushing yourself towards your goals and dreams. Start acting like the 1%, thinking like the 1%, reading books, increasing your platforms. I mean, there's so many different things you can do. And the great thing is, if you don't have all the friends close to you, you might have them as internet friends. I mean, there are so many different options in this day and age. But what I do want to emphasize again is, what are you hanging out with? I know it's easy to slip under the radar, it's easy to think to yourself, well, today is just a cool day, I'm gonna chill with these people. You do the same thing 2 times a week, 3 times a week. Eventually you realize you're hanging out with them a lot more than the other people who you should be hanging out with. And that's not to say that you cut off all your good friends, people you have fun with. You can have fun with them, you can enjoy time with them, but you also need to remember, how are they influencing you? What are they doing in their spare time? Are you guys like-minded people? Are you guys like-minded friends? Do you guys have the same end goal? What do you guys want your future to look like? If you don't want your future to look anything like theirs will be, I'm telling you, you need to get out of that as soon as possible. That means start focusing on you. That means start focusing on what you want to do, where you want to go, and the people who will help you get there. I'm gonna relate it back to gym one more time. You guys who have gym partners, gym buddies, you guys know what I'm talking about. When you go to the gym alone and push yourself, it's not the same when you go to gym with a buddy, with a gym partner, or with a couple of friends. No matter how skinny or strong they are, they're pushing you to become better. You're also there, trying to feed off each other's energy. And that's exactly how it goes for wanting to be successful, wanting to succeed. How you manage your money, how you manage your time, what you do with your life. It's all about the people you spend your time with. So spend time with the right people, those like-minded people, the people who will help you learn. Find those people, because there are a lot of them that do exist. And trust me when I say, you're going to be on the right path to succeeding on your journey. When you do think about it, it's actually quite simple, but not enough people do it. But today, I'm telling you guys so you guys can go and do that. Find the people who have business goals. Find people who have big dreams. The people who discuss success. People who want to be entrepreneurs. People who want to influence people. People want to have a great impact on the world. They're out there. All you need to do is just go and find them. So as always, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. And please let me know your thoughts, like I said at the beginning of this video. Added to that, we have a lot of links in the description to help you guys start becoming successful. Through Coinbase, we have free cryptocurrency, link in the description below. Also, we have a free stock for you guys and me as well if we sign up through Robinhood. Again, my link is in the description below, so check that out. The first link in the description below is a free guide to making online profits. So it's completely free. Again, check it out. I wrote it, so you just go and have a look. If you want to download it, please do. be my guest. Lastly, I do want to say thanks a lot for you guys' support. Recently, I've loved it, I've enjoyed it, I've loved every minute of it. I'll still keep checking out you guys' channels, still be influenced by you guys. You guys are the right group of people to help me move forward and the right person to help you guys move forward. But that's for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money making, you got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.